Squarespace versus Wix, which one is better for portfolio? Today we are going to demonstrate the difference between Squarespace and Wix, which one you should use if you are building a portfolio. So for that I have this small table which will be demonstrating the difference. So first of all, let's talk about Wix. Wix have over 900 templates with limitless customization options. But if you talk about Squarespace, it only has 110 templates with the user-friendly editor. So if you talk about Wix, Wix has classic and AI editors available. And if you talk about Squarespace, it is ideal for beginners. If you're just beginner and you have zero knowledge about the website, Squarespace is for you just because it is so easy to use and it is so user friendly as compared to Wix. Wix has a limitless customization, but is like a classic website builder. You have to have a bit of knowledge about building a website, which is not that complicated. But with Wix, you get over 900 templates and AI editors as well. So it totally depends upon you how you need to do. But in my suggestion, Wix is the winner. So that's pretty much it. Hope you guys find this video helpful.